Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion roots. Don't know.
Mansa, Davai, Kruti Kazak. Step by step upon the way, Zion light guide night and day. Through the valley, through the storm, Jah keep the people safe and warm. Every footstep mark the ground with the truth that Jah has found. Babylon road lead to fall, but Zion path redeem us all. Path of Zion, straight and true. Walk it high and walk it you. Through the struggle, through the pain, path of Zion still remain. Children rise, don't walk alone. Path of Zion bring you home. From the desert, from the sea, Jah prepare the way for we. No false road, no wicked plan can fool the heart of righteous man. Ancient guide, eternal flame, path of Zion, call Jah name. Walk the path with steady hand, carry love across the land. Every trial, every fight, path of Zion, shine the light. Generations come and go, still the path will always show. Every nation, great and small, Zion path unite us all. loud, everlasting, pure and strong, voice of Jah within this song. Voice of Jah, mighty sound, shake the sky and shake the ground, guide the humble, heal the weak. Voice of Jah to all who see. Generation after generation, voice of Jah. Na 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 Zion is higher, man. Morning break with holy flame, Zion sunrise in Jah name. Darkness flee, no shadow stay. Light of Zion fill the day. Every dawn a chance fi grow. Every seed Jah blessing sow. Babylon night can overcome. Zion shine like rising sun. Zion rising bright and high. Paint the earth and paint the sky. Shine forever, never done. Zion bright like morning sun. Children wake with hope anew. Sunlight guiding all them do. From the ghetto to the field, Zion sun the truth reveal. No chain strong enough to hold. Zion fire brighter than gold. Every man and woman sing. Zion son a holy king. It healed the wounded, dried the tear. Zion son forever near. Warm the heart, restore the soul. Zion light will make us whole. From east to west, from north to south, Zion flame in every mouth. From age to age still shining bright. Zion sun eternal light. Shine, shine, Zion flame, rise forever in Jah name. Every morning new begun. Zion rise like morning sun. Zion rising bright and high. Paint the earth and paint the sky. Shine forever, never done. Zion bright like morning sun. Glory, glory, day begun. Zion rise, the chosen one. Ay, 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 ay. Zion roots, yeah, man. High up on the mountain top, Zion blessing never stop. Clouds surround, but light still shine. Mount of Jah forever mine. It stand unshaken, stand so tall. Mount of Zion, call we all. Every step me climb stay. Me lift me eyes, me see the flame. Mount of Zion, call your name. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Mount of truth, all people seek. It break the chain, it heal the soul. Mount of Zion, make we whole. Forever shining, never fade. Mount of Jah, creation made. The elders chant, the children sing. Mount of Zion, crown for king. It echo drum, it echo horn. Mount of Jah, where peace is born. No Babylon can overthrow. Mount of Zion, blessings flow. Forever strong, forever true. Mount of Jah, for me and you. When storm rage and thunder roll, Mount of Zion, guard my soul. It never shake, it never fall. Mount of Jah, stand over all. It call the nations, call them home. Mount of Zion, say no roam. Forever shining, bright and clear. Mount of Jah, forever near. When the trumpet call again, Mount of Zion still remain. It rise eternal, never die. Mount of Jah beneath the sky. Love eternal, peace divine. Mount of Zion always shine. Everlasting, holy song. Mount of Jah forever strong. Climb high, step strong. Mount of Zion lead along. No wall, no chain can hold the way. Mount of Jah forever stay. Mount of Zion, holy height. Shining day and shining night. Every pilgrim find the way. Mount of Jah forever stay. From earth below to heaven high. Mount of Zion never die.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion in the jungle, yeah, man. From Zion hills I chant to rise. Holy sound reach to the skies. Song of mercy, song of peace. Song of Jah brings sweet release. It heal the broken, lift the low. Song of Zion never flow. Every note a prayer divine. Song of Jah forever shine. Song of Zion strong and true. Sing for I and sing for you. Every rhythm, every drum, call the kingdom yet to come. The drum beat roll, the trumpet sound. Song of Zion shake the ground. It echo wide, it echo deep. Song of Jah no man can keep. Forever flowing, never end. Song of Zion feel we friend. It guide the nation, guide the youth. Song of Jah eternal truth. Me lift me voice, me heart rejoice. Song of Zion holy choice. It chase the fear, it chase the night. Song of Jah eternal light. No chain can bind, no wall can hold. Song of Zion more than gold. Forever chanting, strong and free. Song of Jah for you and me. It rise at dawn, it blaze at noon. Song of Zion never soon. It heal the sick, it bless the meek. Song of truth all people seek. Forever Jah eternal hymn. No end in sight, no fading sound. Song of Zion always found. When the trumpet call again, Song of Zion still remain. It rise eternal, never cease. Song of Jah eternal peace. From heaven high to earth below, Song of Zion always flow. Holy chant and holy fire, Song of Jah lift higher. Sing loud, sing clear, Song of Zion always near. No hate, no chain can silence sound. Song of Jah forever found. Song of Zion, strong and true. Sing for I and sing for you. Every rhythm, every drum, call the kingdom yet to come. From first voice to endless day, Song of Zion always stay.
Zion roots, yeah man. Shining bright from holy sky, light of Zion never die. It pierced the dark, it chased the night. Light of Jah forever bright. It guide the children, heal the poor. Light of Zion open door. Every beam a holy song. Light of Jah forever strong. Light of Zion shine on me. Set me spirit, set me free. No more darkness, no more pain. Light of Jah forever reign. It glow at dawn, it blaze at noon. Light of Zion never soon. It bless the elder, bless the meek. Light of truth all people seek. It cut the chain, it break the lie. Light of Jah forever high. Forever shining, never dim. Light of Zion, holy hymn. Me see it blaze upon the hill. Light of Zion shining still. It guide the tribe, it lead the way. Light of Jah both night and day. It heal the wounded, lift the low. Light of Zion ever show. No wicked shadow can remain. Light of Jah remove the chain. It shine within, it shine without. Light of Zion end all doubt. It bless the humble, guide the strong. Light of Jah, the righteous song. Forever true, forever clear. Light of Zion always near. It warm the soul, it calm the mind. Light of Jah for all mankind. When the trumpet sound at last, light of Zion never past. It blaze eternal, never fade.
Zion shine on me. Set me spirit, set me free. No more darkness, no more pain. Light of Jah forever reign. From east to west, from night to morn. Light of Zion ever born.
Zion is I man.
Na Zion is I man. Deep in soil of sacred land, Jah plant roots with holy hand. Storm may rage, but still them stand. Eternal roots across the sand. Every season, come or go, still the righteous roots will grow. Babylon fire can't consume. Eternal roots forever bloom. Eternal roots forever strong. Stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky. Eternal roots will never die. Eternal roots forever strong. Stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky. Eternal roots will never die. Roots of love, roots of peace, grow until the war shall cease. Roots of mercy, roots of flame, grow forever in Jah name. From the elder to the youth, roots of Zion carry truth. From creation till today, roots of Zion light the way. Roots so deep no axe can cut, no lie strong enough to shut. Through the drought and through the rain, eternal roots remain. Every culture, every tongue, sing the roots where we belong. From Africa to every land, eternal roots by Jah hand. Roots so mighty, roots so wide, carry people side by side. Roots of Zion never bend. Eternal roots without end. Eternal roots forever strong. Stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky. Eternal roots will never die. Eternal roots forever strong. Stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky. Eternal roots will never die. Day by day and year by year, eternal roots still stand
deceit, no mask, no pain. Forever calling, never cease. Gates of Jah, eternal peace. Every step up, holy sound. Gates of Zion, holy ground. When the final trumpet blow, through the gates we all will go. It shine with fire, shine with song. Gates of Zion ever strong, forever open, never done. Gates of Jah for everyone. Welcome home, eternal plan. Gates of Zion open for man. Step in, walk free. Gates of Zion call to we. No chain, no fear, no wall remain. Gates of Jah remove the pain. Gates of Zion, wide and free. Open door for you and me. Every nation, every land. Walk through guided by Jah hand. From dawn of time till trumpet call. Gates of Zion open for
Na 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 na, na na na, na 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 na, na 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 na. From early dawn till setting sun, now you bingy drum a beat fi run. Echo deep in mountainside, call the children far and wide. Every strike a message clear. Jaja spirit always near. Drumbeat guide the righteous way. Push the darkness far away. Drumbeat of Zion, strong and true. Call the old and call the new. Every step we march in time to Jah love in perfect rhyme. Me hear the elder chant along, voice and drum in one strong song. It tell the tale from long ago, of prophecy we know must know. Drumbeat carry word of peace, tell the war and hate to cease. Every beat a healing sound, lift we high from off the ground. When the storm clouds start to rise, drumbeat call for clear the skies. It shake the gate, it wake the soul, bring the people back to old. Babylon tremble when it hear, cause truth a beat so loud and clear. No army strong, no chain so tight, can't stop the drumming Jaja light. Na 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 na, na na na. Me see the youth them learn the play, keep the heartbeat every day. From tiny hands to seasoned palm, drumbeat bring a holy calm. It speak a language without word. Every nation across the land. Guide we all with gentle hand till the morning sun return. Drumbeat keep the spirit burn. In Zion heart it always stay. Beat of love to light the way. Whoa. Boom boom, beat for life. Cut through trouble, cut through strife. No border, no wall, no chain can hold in a bingy flame. From sunrise till day is done, drumbeat keep the people one. Drumbeat of Zion, strong and true. Call the old and call the new. Every step we march in time to Jah love in perfect rhyme. From mountain top to valley deep, drumbeat of Zion we always keep.
Ay, ay, ay. This is Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Early in the morning, sunrise in gold. Me light up the chalice, give thanks for the soul. Birds them a chant and the breeze whisper low. Rastaman walk on the green earth slow. Roots in a me veins, Jah fire in a me chest. Meditation deep, me spirit manifest. In a silence, me hear the truth confess. Life a secret, no need for stress. Smoke, meditate and elevate. Open up the mind, don't hesitate. Zion calling, me can't be late. One love, one path, me walk straight. Fire blaze, but me heart stay cool in a wisdom. Me a swim Jah rule, no Babylon pressure, no more fool. Me stand tall, Rastafari school. Me say cleanse the soul like river wash stone. Drop the ego, standing truth alone. High grade aroma, touch throne. In a harmony, me build a new home. Herbs for the healing, herbs for the light. Me no need no pills, Jah guide me sight. One draw bring me close to heights. See visions in a star, them bright. Every puff of prayer, every breath divine. Link with the cosmos, me feel the sign. Time and illusion, me step out a line. In a timeless space, Rastaman align. Drums beat low like ancient code. Ancestral voices in a reggae mode. Me dance with the moon, me chant with the trees. Me reason with wind, me float with ease. This journey not just about blaze and chant. It's about roots and culture. Oh, you plant the seeds of love in heart, them grow. Till the whole world feel the righteous flow. Smoke, meditate and elevate. Open up the mind, don't hesitate. Zion calling, me can't be late. One love, one path, me walk straight. Fire blaze, but me heart stay cool in a wisdom. Me a swim Jah rule, no Babylon pressure, no more fool. Me stand tall, Rastafari school. Ital food pon the fire bubbling sweet. Yam cassava, no blood, no meat. Levitic clean heart, skip no beat. Balance me life, me not taste defeat. Sister and brethren gather in a circle. Share word, share herb, we never commercial. The vibes them pure like river universal. Unity real, no superficial. Chalice pass with respect and care. No greed, no rush, we aware. Each draw sacred like breath of air. One heart, one mind, one love declare. So when you feel lost, remember this line. Smoke with intention, align the mind. Meditate deep, leave Babylon behind. In a Jah light, true peace you find. Zion echoes like thunder roll. Reggae wisdom, heal the soul. This not just music, this is control of self, of love, full whole. Healing,
Aye, aye, aye. Down by riverside with Zion, yeah man. Flowing down from mountain high, underneath your blessed sky, crystal clear and cool me and water pure fi heal the land. Every drop of holy grace reflect the sunlight on your face. River of Zion never dry, carry hope as it pass by. River of Zion deep and wide, carry the truth on every tide. Wash away the pain and wrong, fill the heart with Jaja song. Me kneel beside the river bank, give me thanks, me praise, me frank. It feed the root, it feed the seed, it give the earth all she need. Children splash and elders smile, water run for mile and mile. Every ripple, every wave, tell the story Jah once gave. When the droughts are burn the plain, river come with healing rain. Babylon dam can't stop the flow, from Jah mountain it will go. It cool the heart, it calm the mind, bring the peace we all must find. Through the desert, through the storm, river keep we safe and warm. Me follow stream to valley deep, where secrets of creation sleep. The fish them swim, the birds them call, river bless and feed them all. No greed can take, no man can own this water from Jah alone. It teach the youth how life will stay when we live in Jaja way. Before the moonlight touch the wave, river sing fi all Jah save. From dawn till night, from year to year, river keep the spirit near. It never stop, it never rest. Jah creation at its best. River of Zion always run till the works of Jah are done. Flow strong, flow slow, carry the seed till it grow. From hilltop high to ocean wide, river bring Jah love inside. No chain, no gate, no wall can bind. Water of life for all mankind. River of Zion deep and wide, carry the truth on every tide. Wash away the pain and wrong, fill the heart with Jaja song. From source to sea, from start to end, river of Zion, eternal friend. Na na na, at Bubats and Sweat Kaya man. Me rise early when the sky's still blue. Chalice light up, me thoughts feel true. In a bamboo groove, me soul retreat.
Clear footstep, cool earth beneath me feet. Me draw from the pipe, exhale me pain. Me chant melodies in a smoke and rain. Bird them sing, tree them sway. Me heart beat in a Rasta way. Bamboo talk, me listen keen. Them whisper secrets seen and unseen. Me nah rush, me take it slow. Each breath a blessing, each puff me know. Me vision clear, no mist in sight. Me float in rhythm, hold your light. Me burn me fire in sacred shell. Me meditate where silence dwell. In a bamboo meditations, me find peace, me find vibrations. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me sit in circle with me brethren them. Drumbeat rise like lion anthem. We pass the pipe in reverence. Smoke curl up like incense. Me speak of dreams, them speak of stars. We talk about healing, about ancient scars. Me nah need screen, me nah need phone. Me need the forest, fi feel me own. Every leaf a teacher, every root a guide. Me overstand nature, me nah hide. Me soul in tune with bamboo's bend. It flex but never break me friend. So me live like that, humble and wise. Grounded in truth, high in the skies. Me burn herb not fi run away, but fi connect deeper every day. In a bamboo meditations, me find peace, me find vibrations. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me tread the land with no distress. Me heart beats strong, me soul feel blessed. Me meet the elder with eyes so deep. Him set me youth, the mountain steep. But hold your name and burn it clean. Me see enough things that not be seen. So me sip me tea and chant me rhyme. Me reason deep, me lose all time. Me not preach, but me speak from heart. Me words are spark, me vibes are art. If you're lost, come sit beside. Light up spliff and ride the tide. Me give you rhythm, me give you flame. Me give you Rasta with no shame. From bamboo roots to clouds so high. Zion echoes echo in the sky.
Zion Reggae, man. Blaze up the fire, fi cleanse the land. Burn away Babylon hand. Every spark a holy sign. Light the darkness, make it shine. Me see the flame dance in the night. Guide the people to the light. Fire of redemption, pure and strong. Lead we back where we belong. Fire of redemption, blaze so high. Touch the earth and kiss the sky. Every heart come feel the flame. Call on Jah, holy name. Me hold the torch in me palm. Fi bring the wicked to Jah calm. No fire of hate, no fire of war. This are the flame, fi heal the scar. It burn the chains, it break the lie. Lift the soul to Zion quench the flame of peace. It only grow, it never cease. Every tongue and every creed feel the fire of righteous deed. Night draw close but still it glow. Light the steps where we must go. It warm the weak, it guide the lost. Fire of love, whatever the cost. Till morning come and sky turn gold. Fire of redemption still hold. It blaze until the work is done. And Babylon wall come down. Blaze high, blaze low. Through the spirit, let it flow. Not for earth, but for heal. Show the world the truth so real. Touch in hand, we walk in might. Fire of Jah, bring the light. Fire of redemption blaze so high. Touch the earth and kiss the sky. Every heart come feel the flame. Call on Jah, holy name. From mountain top to ocean deep. Fire of redemption we always keep.
Nah, smoke ganja and meditate, yeah, man. Oh yeah. Early morning, sun start rise. Birds are sing like in the skies. Me step barefoot on the earth cool. Draw me chalice, me spiritual tool. Me roll up herbs in banana leaf. Me give thanks for life, me soul find peace. No nice, just breezing at the tree. Meditation come naturally. Inhale the smoke, exhale the pain. Feel the roots flow deep in a brain. Me sit by river, me heart beat slow. Me see Jah face where the waters flow. No phone, no screen, no fake delight. Just me and I and the holy light. I chant the psalms, me call Jah name. For wisdom, guidance, no money game. Mystic smoke, guide me soul. I am meditation, make I whole. From mountain top to valley deep. Rasta na fear, we not sleep. Mystic smoke, bring the light. Burn away darkness of the night. Herba healing, word is sound. Jah vibration all around. Me empress they within the grove. She pick herbs filled with temple stove. She say love is sacred, pure and slow. Me say yes queen, let it grow. She light the fire, boil bush tea. We chant together in harmony. We no chase clothes, no chase fame. We live idle, clean in Jah name. Me feel Jah when me plant a seed. When rain fall and cleanse me need. Me hear truth in every drum. In a silence, wisdom come. Me no need church fi connect to source. Me walk with Jah, me stay the course. Me draw me herb, me close me eye. Me spirit float to Zion high. Mystic smoke, guide me soul. I am meditation, make I whole. From mountain top to valley deep. Rasta na fear, we not sleep. Mystic smoke, bring the light. Burn away darkness of the night. Herba healing, word is sound. Jah vibration all around. Every puff a vision.
vision clear. Me sight ancestors, them draw near. Them whisper truth from long ago. Out how we rise when we stay low. Me burn me herbs in a sacred rite, and dreams reveal in
Ganja is Rastasmans medicine, yeah man. Ganja. Me rise up with sun pan me face. Me barefoot step on sacred place. No rush, no chase, no time fi war. Me move with the rhythm from near and far. Me hear drum beat deep in the earth. Ancient sound from long before birth. Me lock, me crown, me stretch, me hand. Me feel Jah pulse move through the land. Me wrap me herb in banana leaf. Me chant one prayer for world relief. Me heart dance to the Naya bingy fire. This vibration lift me higher and higher. Rhythm of the roots, it a call me soul. Me step in a trance, me lose control. Me dance for the love, me move for the light. Me chant in a rhythm all day and night. Roots like river, sound so true. Rhythm of the roots, it carry you. Me see me sister swing like tree. Me see me brother jump and free. We no need no diamond chain. Me only need the rhythm fi ease me brain. Me swing, me dread, me lift me chest. Me know Jah bless, me know me blessed. No Babylon tune can shake this core. This roots rhythm reach me to the core. Me sip some coconut fresh and sweet. Me feel the fire under me feet. Me drum, me chant, me spirit fly. Me link with Jah inna the open sky. Rasta no dance just for the show. We move with purpose, let it flow. We spin, we chant, we open gate. We free the mind, we drop the weight. Me like the chalice, me inhale deep. Me mind open wide, no time for sleep. This meditation come true base. It bring me back to Zion place. Rhythm of the roots make me levitate. Every step a blessing I carry it. Me chant in a rhythm, me smoke the truth. Me dance in a circle with Jah youth. No lie can break this unity. Rhythm of the roots, set I free. Nightfall come, firelight glow. Me people gather and spirit flow. Conga drum and bongo rise. We chant and praise under starlit skies. Me feel the ancestors in a beat. Them guide me foot, them move me feet. From Africa to Caribbean we and wave. This rhythm rise from jam and grave. Me see the lion, me see the lamb. Me hold me heart in a Japan. Me chant one love from me chest. In a rhythm, me soul rest.
Ay, ay, ay. Zion reggae, yeah man. Through the valley and over hill, blow the wind so pure and still. Carry message from up high, straight from Zion to the sky. Every breeze a holy sign. Whisper words for peace divine. Wings of Jah, they never tire. Fan the flame of righteous fire. Winds of Jah blow strong and free. Spread the truth across the sea. Lift the soul and clear the way. Guide me through another day. Me stand pan cliff and feel it blow. Bring the blessings that we know. It touch me skin, it cool me bro. Remind me Jah is here and now. It move the trees in gentle sway. Turn the night into bright day. Every ghost a sacred prayer. Tell the world just spirit there. When Babylon a build them wall, winds of Jah will make it fall. It slip through crack, it climb the gate. It carry love, it crush the hate. No man can change the breath of life. It calm the storm, it end the strife. It whisper hope in darkest night, and lift we up to Zion height. Me hear it dance through Market Street, mix with laughter, make it sweet. It cool the elder, pan the chair, bring fresh life to everywhere. From mountain top to ocean deep, it guard the flock that Jah keep. Every blow a blessing true. Winds of Jah will carry you. Before the dusk, before the rain, winds of Jah still will remain. It carry chant and drumbeat sound, circle round and round and round. From east to west, from north to south, it fill the earth from mouth to mouth, till kingdom come and time is true. Winds of Jah will see we through. Blow high, blow low, carry the seed till it grow. From shore to shore, land to land, spread the works of Jahan. No storm can turn, no wall can hold. Winds of Jah forever bold. Winds of Jah blow strong and free. Spread the truth across the sea. Lift the soul and clear the way. Guide we through another day. From mountain high to valley low, winds of Jah forever blow.
Bless the people, yeah man. Rastafari live and reign. You smoke not to escape but to elevate. Ease your mind, open your soul. With barefoot on the red dirt trail. In a earth me trust me never frail. Sky a paint, the sunset tail. Birds a sing, breeze a sail. Herbs in a me palm, pure like truth. A gift from Jah, fi guide the youth. One spark light it, fire of proof. Meditation, bring back me roots. Me no rush, me take me time. Each breath sacred, each draw divine. This no party weed or plastic line. It's liberty, real like sacred sign. Jah guide me, breathe in a freedom. Exhale the pain, let the smoke carry blessing like rain. Dance with the wind, no carry no chain. In a the silence, me hear Jah name. Breathe in a freedom, float away high. Above all worry, above the sky. Open your soul, let the spirit fly. Me dip on the journey, Jah draw me nigh. Me turn Babylon stress, me free me mind. Now follow crowd, me walk Jah line. Me drink coconut water straight from vine. Ital food keep me temple fine. Gang in a background rhythm so nice. Naya bingy drums roll like dice. Each beat a heartbeat, sound precise. Life na fi hard, fi feel paradise. Rasta woman by me side, strong and kind. She plant the herbs, she read the sign. She chant the psalms, she keep me aligned. Blessed beyond flesh, in soul me find. Jah guide me, breathe in a freedom. Exhale the pain, let the smoke carry blessing like rain. Dance with the wind, no carry no chain. In a the silence, me hear Jah name. much, but me own peace, and that me clutch. Me own love, and that me trust. Me own a vibe, you can't corrupt. Sunset colors inna me eye. Ganja cloud, them paint the sky. Every tool a prayer that not tell lie. Every thought purified when high. So gun for purpose, not just style. Herbs for wisdom, not just smile. It's how you use it that make it vital. Me live ital, me chant like Bible. Jah guide me.